everyone, welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. How are you today? We are still in the season of love. Well, love is always in the air. Did you know that there's always love in the air? It doesn't have to be February, it doesn't have to be February 14th, it doesn't even have to be Christmas, it doesn't have to be any other special day. You can create your own love day. All right, so but it's still the Valentine's period. We're still in the Valentine's month. All right, so we're gonna keep it red for as long as we can. So this number right here is a tunic. Yes, a tunic. You can wear this as a beach coverall. You can wear this as a poncho. You can wear this as yeah, it's a tunic really. So you can wear it over your bikini, wear it over your camisole and your slacks. Yeah, just feel free to put it over your garment. It is really, really beautiful, and guess what? It is red. So before I let you know how we worked this amazing beauty, are you new to our channel? You should totally go subscribe. Yes, every week we bring you brand new videos. We bring you videos inspiring you on all of the possibilities of crochet. We also bring you videos showing you how we make one of our bespoke pieces. We bring you videos demystifying what one celebrity or the other wore. So yes, you should totally subscribe. Yeah, we are open to suggestions. Send us pictures and ask us to demystify those for you, and we definitely will. All right, we have our galleries on Instagram. We have a wedding apparel on Makisode Weddings, at Makisode Weddings. We have our corporate casuals, accessories, decor, our interior decor. We have those on at Makisode Models, or both on Instagram. Do well to follow, to like, to share videos. Yes, totally do that. Would love that very much. Okay, so back to our tunic. This is a very simple tunic. Look, are you a beginner? This one is absolutely simple for you to do. You know how to work the single crochet stitch, you know how to work the double crochet stitch, and you know how to work chains. That is all you need to know to create this this tunic. Yes, that's all really. So for this tunic, what we need to create this tunic, two panels, the front panel and the back panel, worked exactly the same, no changes. So now the interesting thing is that we worked it from side to side. Yep, we worked it from side to side. So from the left side to the right side, right? That's how we work the panels. So essentially what we did is that you change the number of chains that you need to create the length of this tunic. So this tunic, this particular tunic, was supposed to end above the knee for a person who is 5'7" in height, as in 5 feet 7 inches. Yes, this is supposed to end just above the knee for her. All right. So essentially, we just chained. I think we chained about 120 thereabouts. Right. So you're gonna pick the multiples that work for you. Now for this, we use the multiples of 6. All right, we use multiples of 6 plus 4. That's what we did for this one. So multiples of 6 plus 4. Why? We're going to be creating our post. We're going to be in every 6th stitch. So what we did was that after we chain all, our first 2 stitches are post. We started with single crochet post. Yeah, so you worked the single crochet. I think, yeah, this worked this way. So single crochet, yeah, single crochet stitch, right? Chain 5, skip 5, single crochet stitch, chain 5, skip 5, single crochet stitch, chain 5, skip 5, single crochet stitch, like that. So we did that for 2 rows, and then we changed the post size to a double crochet stitch. So double crochet stitches, chain 5, double crochet stitch, chain 5, skip 5, double crochet stitch. We did that for 4 rows. So if you take a look at this, let me hold it out in my palm. So you would recognize, let me go from the beginning, you recognize the single crochet rows and the double crochet rows, and then the single crochet rows again, the double crochet rows, single crochet rows, double crochet rows. So you're going to be doing this for as wide as you want it. Now tunics don't necessarily have to be attached to the body, like a body con, for example. Yeah, so usually what I do for my tunics is that I give it like an extra 3 inches on either side. So 3 inches this way, 3 inches that way, or 2.5 inches this way, 2.5 inches that way, but it's never really tight, and I do the addition is to the the measurement of the hip. So if, for example, the wearer's hip is about 40 inches, you want to make your panels to be about 42 to 43 to 45 inches wide, depending on how free the wearer wants her own to look like. Did you know men also wear tunics? Oh yes, men also wear tunics. They may not make their own this meshy, but yes, they do wear tunics. So yeah, that's it essentially. So two panels of that, the back panel, sorry, the front panel and then the back panel, like I said, it was equal lengths. You can choose to make your back panel a little longer than the front panel. That is left for you. It's a choice. But we did something special with the back panel. Yes, we infused white. All right, we just infused white randomly somewhere in the middle to give it this look, but we did not change the pattern, right? So two rows of single crochet, yeah, 2 rows of single crochet mesh, and then 4 rows of double crochet mesh, like that. 2 rows, 4 rows, 2 rows, 4 rows, like that, until we got our required width. What did we do after that? We joined. Essentially, we sewed. So what you do is that you're going to join, you're going to create the neckline. Yes, you're going to create the neckline by joining the shoulders for how you want it. If you want it really wide, you can join the shoulders, you know, shorter, you know, as shown, right? Yeah, I'm gonna pause and show you a little bit. So yeah, that's how, yeah, this was done to get this look, right? So, and then after joining at the shoulders, you need to join at the sides. Yeah, so this is the side. You join the last row of the back panel to the first row of the front panel, and this is what you get. This is the point, the joining. This is the joining point. We just sewed it. All right, so you sew into each stitch here, the posts join together, the 5 stitches here. You can choose to sew into every stitch, or you could choose to sew into stitch 1, stitch 3, stitch 5, and then get to the post. Stitch 1, stitch 3, stitch 5, get to the post. You can do that. Yeah, so that's it. Join that and then you edge. How did we edge? Same thing as usual. To keep our edging simple, we just stick to single crochet stitch with chains. Yeah, that keeps the edging simple, but it gives it a very beautiful you know, ending. See that? So that's it. Simple. Throw on, you know, put this over your your beach wear. We're going to be showing you that, so watch the video to the end to see how it looks on the model. All right, thank you so much. Remember to subscribe to our channel, follow our Instagram handles, share our videos, right? Let us know what part of this video wasn't quite clear to you, and we'll work something out for you, right? Bye for now.